For pet owners, keeping a clean home can feel like a constant battle. Hair, fur, and tracked-in debris seem to multiply faster than you can vacuum them up. Enter the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and versatile tool designed to tackle pet messes and transform your cleaning routine. But does this cordless wonder live up to the Dyson reputation? Let's delve deeper into the features of the V8 and see if it's the perfect cleaning companion for your pet-filled home. Powerful Dyson Suction for effortless cleaning. Dyson is renowned for its powerful suction technology, and the V8 is no exception. This cordless vacuum boasts impressive suction power, making it efficient at picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. No more struggling with a bulky vacuum cleaner, the V8 delivers powerful cleaning in a lightweight and cordless design. Engineered for homes with pets. No more hair removal hassle. One of the biggest challenges pet owners face is dealing with mountains of fur. The Dyson V8 tackles this head-on with its innovative features designed specifically for homes with pets. De-tangling Motorbar Cleaner Head. This unique cleaner head features hair removal vanes that clear long hair and pet fur from the brush bar. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and tangled messages. Hair Screw Tool. This specialized tool with a conical brush bar is perfect for tackling pet hair on upholstery and pet beds. It effectively removes hair without the frustration of constant detangling. Advanced filtration for cleaner air. Pet dander and allergens can be a major concern for pet owners and allergy sufferers. The Dyson V8 addresses this concern with its advanced whole machine filtration system. This system captures 99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air back into your home. Cordless Freedom for effortless cleaning throughout your home. One of the most significant advantages of the Dyson V8 is its cordless design. Free from the constraints of a cord, you can effortlessly clean every nook and cranny of your home. This makes it perfect for quick cleanups, tackle spills and messes without the hassle of dragging out a corded vacuum. Cleaning high and low. The cordless design allows you to reach high shelves, upholstery, and underneath furniture with ease. Cleaning in tight spaces. The V8 easily transforms into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for cleaning cars, stairs, and other tight spaces. Versatility for every cleaning task. The Dyson V8 comes with a variety of attachments, offering versatility for various cleaning tasks. Crevice Tool. Perfect for reaching into narrow crevices and tight spaces. Combination Tool. Two tools in one, offering a brush and upholstery attachment for different cleaning needs. Docking Station. Provides a convenient storage and charging solution for your vacuum and attachments. Additional features to keep in mind. The Dyson V8 offers additional features that enhance user experience. Up to 40 minutes of runtime. Clean your entire home without having to recharge constantly based on using the non-motorized tool in suction mode too. Lightweight design. The cordless design makes the V8 easy to maneuver and use for extended cleaning sessions. 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Enjoy peace of mind with Dyson's warranty and customer support. The verdict. The Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. Its powerful suction, pet-specific features, advanced filtration, and cordless design make it a game-changer for cleaning homes with pets. While the price might be higher compared to basic cordless vacuums, the Dyson V8's performance, convenience, and focus on pet hair removal make it a worthwhile investment for those who value a cleaner and healthier home environment. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that can tackle pet messes effortlessly, the Dyson V8 is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.